In this video, we'll show you how to block a YouTube channel from your child's supervised account. Supervised experiences let you manage the content your child can view. With channel blocking, all videos associated with the blocked YouTube channel will be unavailable to your child, including future videos that are added to the channel. To block a channel on your child's supervised account on YouTube, follow these steps. First, confirm that your child is part of your family group on YouTube. Then, on a mobile device, go to the channel page that you're looking to block. Click on the three dots in the top right corner of your screen. Then select Block Channel for Kids. Or, if you're on a computer, go to the channel page that you're looking to block. Then go to the About section and click the flag button. Then select Block Channel for Kids. A message will appear reminding you that similar videos from other channels may still be visible. So note that this feature only makes videos unavailable from the channel you're blocking. Select Got It to proceed to the next step. You'll then see your child's account appear at the bottom of your screen. If you have more than one child in your family group, you have the option to block the channel for one or all of them. Select Block next to the child's name. You can select Unblock if you've changed your mind. Press Done to complete the process. Note that any parent in the family group can block or unblock a channel for the kids in that family group. To learn more about content moderation options, check out the links in the description of this video. Thanks for watching.